Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Milady. This is a very urgent update. I know you guys are going crazy right now with the comments coming in. What is happening with Milady? It has seen a massive retracement within its price, and whether or not this is a time to worry, I'm going to get in all that right now for you guys. If you guys are enjoying these updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Milady right now, you guys can see we do have about 7 zeros in front of the price right now. We are currently sitting at 89288, but most importantly, you guys can see it is down about 40.3% in the last 24 hours in the USD comparative, also down 40% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. So quite a significant drop within its price. Looking at its market cap, it's currently sitting at $80 million with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 90.5 million. So, we're going to obviously get into the analysis, and I'm going to share as to why exactly, in my opinion, this has happened and whether or not this should be a time to worry. But, before we do that, you guys know every day we have to look at the holder count, and despite the fact that it has seen a decline in its price, you guys can see the holder count is continuously growing, and that is a positive thing to look at. But before we jump into, of course, the analysis, I just want to quickly go over the amount of followers. You guys can see the follower count is at 54,200 right now. But now let's waste no more time and get right into the analysis, see what has happened and where the prices could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, of course, like I said, quite a significant drop within its price. But, we talked about something similar happening. And I will share as to why what I'm really talking about. So what you can really see is let's go back a few days. So on the 13th, if you picked up some Milady around there, you saw the price go up about 165%. Yes, you guys have heard that right. It went up almost 2x since then. And we were headed to all-time highs yesterday. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we were just down about 6% for it to reach the all-time high resistance. And if you guys watched my video yesterday, you guys can see what I explained in that video. I said there is a strong possibility that we could see, with the momentum that was forming for Milady, we could head over to that level of resistance and see a little bit of a rejection within its price. And as a matter of fact, we did see exactly something similar happen. Look, I even said that in that video. You guys can go ahead and watch it. I said if there was enough buying pressure, we could break out of that level of resistance and start heading towards all-time highs. But what we have seen happen instead was the price did get close to that level of resistance, but the whales took advantage and took profits way before it was even able to hit that level of resistance. And as you guys know, there's something called a snowball effect, and that is a real thing. If a massive whale or a big player does take profits, that is going to create panic, and everyone's going to start panicking, and that makes things go worse. And you guys can see that's exactly what we projected exactly has happened. And I do believe some people, so listen to this, guys, you got to look at it from this point of view. Most people were expecting, anyone that knows cryptocurrency, they were expecting that majority of the time, if all-time highs are retested, there's a rejection. There tends to be a rejection. But what happened was, I believe some big players that hold quite a significant amount of ladies, took profits right before it hit that level of resistance, causing a massive chain of reaction, which caused quite a massive retracement within its price. So since yesterday, you have seen ladies drop about 50% within its price. But right now, one thing I want to tell you guys is that we would love to see ladies actually hold above this level of support. We still have quite some time for the day to come to an end, but what I would personally like ladies to do is get back above this level of support which of course is playing as a level of resistance. That is something I want you guys to keep in mind. It's a very important for the price to hold above here, for us to continuously head back towards the upside. But this goes to show, guys, if you guys watch all my videos, every single video of mine regarding meme coins or even cryptocurrencies in general, other altcoins, I always say one thing. If you are sitting at massive gains, lock in profits. If you're seeing gains, lock in profits, because if you don't, someone else will do it before you, and that's exactly what has happened. But anyone that was able to lock in almost a 2x, almost a 3x, to be honest, that was able to lock that in around this range, give yourself a pat on the back. You guys have a beautiful dip to catch now if you want to get back in. So now comes the question, the main question that everyone wants to know: is this the end? Is this the end for Milady? Have we seen the top, and is this about to just dump back towards the downside? That's what we're going to discuss. So if we're looking at Bitcoin, though, let me just look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is trying to get back into the 61.8. It's back and forth, the battle between the bulls and the bears, but Bitcoin is showing good signs, but I would of course like it back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. But now getting back to the point, is this the end for ladies? I don't think this is the end for ladies. We have seen the momentum that this coin has been forming, and since the all-time retracement low, which we saw on May 12th, it's still up 113%. So we need to keep one thing in mind, guys. This is meme coins, and this is why I always say to you guys, always invest what you can afford to lose. If you have done that, guys, just relax, because it doesn't matter, right? And if ladies were to become a massive coin, then guess what? Your small amount, the one that you have already invested that you are okay to lose, you will see those gains if it were to go towards the upside. And I still do believe ladies will break all-time highs. This is the meme coin market. Profit taking will happen, manipulation will happen, but what speaks for me the most is the growth of the community, the amount of holders that this coin has gotten in just a matter of 1 week, and not only that, the amount of exchanges that have already listed this coin. So I still believe some bigger exchanges are going to come ahead and start listing this coin on their exchange, because they want the next Pepe. Everyone is talking about the next Pepe. Everyone wants to get into the next Pepe, and the closest one that I can see, of course, is this one. I've told you guys my personal thoughts as to why. Of course, the connection with Elon Musk's tweet, and now everyone is on the edge to see whether or not Elon Musk is going to reuse that tweet. But nonetheless, I really do believe this still has a lot of steam on its end. And this time around, what we have seen was manipulation, of course, profit taking. Great to whoever done that, whoever took profits. You cannot get mad at anyone for taking profits, but this is learning lesson for everyone to never get too confident, thinking that the price is going to continuously go towards the upside. You do need to lock in your profits. I cannot stress this enough. If you don't, guess what? Someone else will do so. So what we want right now to see Milady do is get above this level of resistance. If it were to do that, I am okay with that. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Milady going, where what is your strategy? Are you guys picking more up? Let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, if anything were to change, I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, guys, this is part of the game, and like I said, let this be a learning lesson for everyone. That if you see profits, as I say in every single video of mine, lock those profits in. I cannot stress it enough. But that is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.